Welcome to Lourdemont College of Engineering. I am Anu Bessar, Admission Coordinator and Career Advisor for Lourdemont College of Engineering. Our college started since 2013 and also we are affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. Our courses are B. Mechanical Engineering Specialization in Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence, B. Computer Science Engineering Specialization in Cybersecurity, Ethical Hacking and Data Science, B. Civil Engineering Specialization in Interior and 3D Designing, and also B. Electrical and Electronic Engineering Specialization in Automotive Embedded System and MATLAB for Electronics, and finally B. Electronic and Communication Engineering Specialization in Internet of Things and MATLAB for Electronics. As we know that engineering career is so much of changed. As Industrial Revolution 4, we all know that Industrial Revolution 4 changing the 21st century. So what is Industrial Revolution 4? In Industrial Revolution 1 and it leads and finally it's to 4. From 1 onwards it's a development of technology in the world. In Industrial Revolution 4, the computer and internet reached every aspect of the human nature, and also in human activities, every human activities there is a part of Industrial Revolution 4, computer and internet. So the technology completely changed to super digitally transformed. So the courses also based on engineering courses also we can basically our engineering courses like computer science, mechanical engineering, electronic engineering and electronic and communication, civil engineering, every aspect of the engineering field there are more changes. What are the changes happened and what it leads to your career? That is what we are discussing about here. So just what is the difference means the world is digitally transformed. So our course is also digitally transformed. A new career entirely different from all basic engineering. It is totally different from basic engineering and it is transformed to digitally. In computer, we all know that most of the 80% of the world population already leads to computer by using mobile and internet, and also security is a major aspect of our life. Regarding bank payment, also social medias, using of social medias, and also in every aspect of life we know that hacking is a major problem. So cyber security and also data science connected to computer science is a very huge very good career which give a job for computer science students. Those who wish to learn computer science engineering, they can add on this specialization also. They will learn this specialization also among the basic engineering courses. So it is better to learn so much of it is better to learn that specialization in basic engineering career. So we are changing our engineering career to digitally specialization with some branches. So it's lead to their job. It will give their effort to their jobs. Okay. So next we are focusing about mechanical engineering. As we know that already the technology is digitally transformed, machine learning and artificial intelligence leading every machines to overcome the machines to be the part of the man. So automatic driving cars, automatically machines are learning, and through the mother computers are learned with artificial intelligence, giving some information, giving data to the computer, and after that through using that computer internet through robotics everyone will teach the that particular person artificial intelligence implement that teaching, and also through that method they will adopt that machines processing or the manufacturing or every industries. Those who connected to artificial intelligence will automatically do through robotics. So in machine learning there are so much changes happened recently. In mechanical also so much of changes happened recently. So it's in our colleges we are connecting machine learning and artificial intelligence to machine learning. Next we will focus on civil engineering. Civil engineering, as we know that basic civil engineering is not our new world, our new era needed all all work in one person. So interior and 3D designing also needed for a person to develop for a person to work in this society. So if a person specialized in interior 3D designing along with basic civil engineering courses, civil engineering, so it's better to get a job and better to get high payment of salary while he will job or even seek for a job, or he will do his job in his own office. So next the next courses leads to electronic and electrical and electronic and communication. So we know that in electrical sections technology so much of changed in 21st century, digitally transformed. In electrical medias, what are the changes happened? As IoT technology. What are IoT technology means? IoT means through our mobile and also through Google Assistants we can operate, we can on or off any object, a computer, a washing machine, AC or anything. So and also we will get information regarding that particular that AC or particular that thing regarding their gas, how it's reached, what are the level of the gases, like that. Every technologically every object is connected to every electronic media is connected to IoT technology. It is connected to chip, and through Wi-Fi we can operate through our mobile phone. So and also automotive embedded system. In automobile we know that every car is going for driverless car, sensor, automatic sensor system. In India also we can know that we can see that most of the car are working based on sensor system. So the technology, the career path is changed. So what we done was, in our college, in our Lord the Mount College of Engineering, we changed our career to technology. We add some specialization to the career that leads them to get job in the society. So for getting a better job, it's very much important to update this specialization. So we changed every courses, and also it's we just along with basic engineering courses we add specialization courses for their academic performance. It will improve their performance and also job sector and also every aspect in life. Our students will be in leading position to get the job, and also they will be well skilled based on the 21st century job skills needed. So it's better to you can choose our colleges for admissions, and also we are offering a best courses. Also you can go through our website and you can search for our courses and also specializations. Our special features include we are offering career development classes. Actually, if a student's admitted to the college, and also we can't think that he will complete his performance with maximum of his effort. So we need to give some motivation and also career information regarding this his courses. So in career guidance class and also career guidance career club, he will get all information regarding his career and his job sector. Next, personality development class also we are giving to develop his personality, and also every students have to develop his personality for the job sector. So companies need a good personality person. So we are giving the personality development programs, and also skill development programs, also motivational classes and motivation classes, also the time management classes, goal setting classes, and also anti-narcotic classes, that also we are giving. So these classes will improve their career and also improve their physical and mental stability, and also they can score maximum of mark and present maximum of they can take maximum of they can effort to maximum of their outcome results. So based on the academic teaching, we are also giving this skill development programs and also other guidance programs that will help them to score good mark and seek and get a good jobs. And also other silent features, we are having best facilities across Trivandrum and also to Nagarkoil, and also we are having hostel facilities, both AC and non-AC. If students wish to take 2 sharing or 3 sharing or 4 sharing or AC, if they need AC, they can choose. And also it's dividing package, so you can see in our fee structure. So next, the regular communication. We are following regular communication via SMS. Where we are giving information to the parents about the students, also their mark, their academics, and also their attendance details also. So apart from that, it's a safe and secure college, and also you will be very much comfortable here. And also modern cafeteria, modern relaxations also available. So the relaxing cafeteria for free times. When coaching also, we are giving digital classrooms. So we already know that the technology is more developed, and also digital PPT presentation we are giving for the students. So it will improve their learning stability by vision, and also we are giving our notes, everything to through email also. So they can take a printout from at any time, and also they can follow their works. Finally, the major in engineering, the major things we needed is communication is the best skills. We already know that in engineering a student need communication skill, problem solving skill. Problem solving skills and also other skills we are offering. Already I told that we are offering personality development class and also other skill development class. Regarding communication skill development, we are offering London Cambridge Business English training, London Cambridge syllabus Business English training we are giving. Every student will get a detailed training about listening, writing, reading and speaking. So by through Business English training, London Cambridge syllabus based on London Cambridge Business English, we are offering maximum of coaching to the students. What it's indicate that we as we know that in our society, in our new world, the students must be more communicative in English. The students may need to be communicate everything to English, because the world is connected to everywhere. Okay, through internet and computer, everyone is connected to the social media. So every students need to improve their communication skill. For that we are giving Business English communication skill through Cambridge, and also it will help the students to communicate to anywhere in the world in English language. So regarding admission also, we started our admission, so you can choose us for admission. What our vision mission was, we are giving education, engineering education to the future. So those who seek admission and those who learn from our institution, certainly they will score a better level in the society, and they will be leading based on their skills and their hard skill and soft skill.